This model is designed with both comfort and hygiene in mind. It's a one-piece smart toilet with a built-in flush tank. It has an integrated bidet system and a 12-inch rough-in that fits most standard bathrooms. It's ADA compliant, meaning the height is perfect for everyone, especially if you have knee or back pain, like I do. The design is so very sleek, it's compact, and it blends beautifully into any modern spaces with no exposed pipes. So no bulky attachments, just clean lines and functionality. Now the experience starts the moment you walk in. The lid opens automatically like to greet you. It's completely hands-free and it gently closes when you are done. Then the sensor-based flush activates on its own, so it feels surprisingly intuitive. And since hygiene is the key theme here, the HOROW T38P is designed to keep things not just cleaner, but safer. Now, let's talk about one of the most unique features of this smart toilet, the foam shield. If you've never heard of it before, here's what it actually does. The foam shield creates a soft layer of foam inside the bowl after sitting down. It works like a gentle protective barrier that completely changes how flushing feels, and it solves one of the biggest bathroom annoyances, splashing. When the foam forms, it covers the surface of the water, so when you flush, there are no messy splashes or droplets flying all around. Everything stays contained, clean, and quiet. But it's not just about comfort, it's about hygiene too. That foam layers helps block odor, bacteria, and any fine particles from spreading into the air. It keeps your bathroom fresher, cleaner, and a lot more sanitary overall. At the same time, the foam coats the sides of the bowl, which means waste doesn't stick to the ceramic, so stains don't build up as fast, and you don't have to scrub as often. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference. No splashes, no smells, no constant cleaning. The foam shield takes something as simple as flushing and turns it into a clean, hygienic, and actually pleasant experience. And this also ties into one of the major benefits of this model. You clean less often. That means reduced cleaning frequency, less effort, fewer harsh cleaners, and more time back in your day.